Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Did you notice recently when you are driving by the Toyota car dealership that there are not very many cars on the lot? When I drive by our dealer in our area, it seems to me they have only like a 60% of the spots filled. And we were just in the Oregon, and when we drove by a Grants Pass Toyota dealership, I was absolutely in shock because it looked they have only like 30% of the area around the building filled with vehicles. That was kind of like an apocalyptic view. I couldn't believe it. No cars. So it looks there is not enough of used cars, and also there is not enough of the new vehicles. I would like to share with everybody the story which I learned from one of my customers who came here from Sacramento area in California. He said he was going to the dealer a few times to buy parts for his 2006 Tundra. But he was coming to the dealership driving his, I believe he said 2019 Tundra. And I think he shared he has only like 12,000 miles on it. And that caught attention of the salespeople who were there, and they approached him. And these are the numbers, and I hope I will get it right. They basically told him, hey, you bought from us this Tundra 2 years ago. We can see it. It's in perfect shape. How many miles you have on it? Oh, yeah, 13,000 miles. And they approached him with the offer. They said, oh, you bought it here, and now I hope I remember the numbers correctly. You bought it here for, let's say, $47,000. Can we make you offer for your vehicle, which is here? And he said, well, go ahead. I'm not thinking about selling it, but go ahead. And if I'm correct, he said they offered him immediately, write him check for $52,000. So I hope I remember the numbers correctly, but it was approximately $5,000 more than he paid for a brand new car 2 years ago before this crazy COVID situation started. In the past, we were always thinking, oh, you buy a new vehicle, you get the key from the salespeople, and boom, 25% of the value is gone in that second or in that minute. Well, apparently that COVID mixed up everything. And there is the real situation that if you have a fairly new Tundra, Tacoma, you might be offered actually way more money for it than you paid a year or 2 years ago. So I want to share that with you. Please share your own experience so we can all learn from it, we can share it, and see what is happening here in USA. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.